We love this fragrance composition. Let's begin by introducing the native orchid, which plays an important role in the overall fragrance. With blooms resembling the fiery colors of the blazing sun, this orchid's bold and magnificent appearance is further heightened by its gorgeous floral fresh fragrance. How about a daily dose of tranquility in the perfume you use? Therapeutic orchids are part of the composition to soothe and enhance your scent experience. You may have heard that orchids possess medicinal values too, and these are no exceptions. So, let's find out more. Possessing an unique and distinctive floral scent, this therapeutic orchid is also used in traditional medicines, mainly to heal external wounds such as cuts and burns. The entirety of this orchid is multi-purpose and used in many varying ways. Sweet, with a taste resembling bananas, the fruits of this plant are edible and can be eaten as a vegetable. Extracts from the flowers are topically applied on the belly to treat fever, and the milky sap from stems can even be used as a shampoo to encourage hair growth. Other scent notes that compose fresh ten are vetiver and white musk. Used in perfumes since ancient times, vetiver is one of the most popular fragrance ingredients and is extremely well loved for a good reason. Emitting an earthly, woody, and green scent, it works brilliantly as a base note and fixative in perfumes. Studies also evidently show that vetiver essential oil can improve focus and memory and reduce stress, which in turn boost productivity and creativity. White musk is a form of synthetic aroma compound in perfumery to replace natural animal musk, which has since been illegal to obtain. Subtle and clean by nature, with a slightly floral, sweet, powdery underlying tone, this seemingly simple fragrance ingredient is a delightful scent note to ensure the longevity of your perfume. Light and refreshing with a reassuring woody musky base, this fragrance adds an element of masculinity and charisma to your perfume. A perfect pick for the modern man wanting a scent that's great for nearly every situation that arises.